Hello, and thanks for spending some time with me today. In this episode, we are going to talk about a 2016 Ford Focus RS that has been modified. And just to put that into context a bit, this car was Top Gear Magazine's Car of the Year in 2016, and that was obviously a really good car. And this owner has tastefully modified it and made it even better than that. So we're going to go through that car with him. I met him at a car show. He was actually one of my competition as far as awards went in the Sport Compact category. So I thought he was a pretty good contender, and I had to chat with him, and the car is just amazing to see. And we'll go through that for sure. Just some tidbits on it was, as it was factory, it was around 350 horsepower, also 350 pounds of torque. It was all-wheel drive. Had something that was really kind of going back in the time where it had drift mode, which a lot of people thought was pretty cool. From 0 to 60, it was 4.6 seconds, 13.2 in the quarter mile. And like I said, this fella, he's actually tastefully modified it and made it even better. And the car is just immaculate, and he's going to tell you the story. So let's get to that interview right now. So, what's your car and what have you done with it?
Ford Focus RS.
Just so you know, guys, too, he's in my competition for an award right now in this contest.
I pre-ordered it in fall 2015, and it was built all
So you had it new, since new?
Yep, all RSs are built over in Germany and then shipped here. So I got mine in August of 2016.
I actually didn't even know that, so that's good to know.
I got mine in August 2016. I left it stock until 2018, and then I started dabbling. I put an exhaust on it, started with the catback, and then it's kind of went head over heels from there.
And then started going crazy.
Yeah, so it's got, it's the more important stuff. It's tuned by Dream Science. They're out of the UK. They've been doing RS stuff since the first ones came out in 2001. This is the third generation RS. North America never got the first two. We only got the third.
Yeah, the third, yeah.
So it's cat's downpipe into track vision, catback, exhaust.
I see a cage in the back.
Yeah, it's got a roll bar in it.
Oh, it's just the bar? Oh, yeah, you don't have the front stuff, okay.
Back seat delete. Front and rear strut tower braces for massive speed. The engine, I haven't done too much to the internals of the engine, but it's got methanol injection.
Okay.
Dream Science did the intake as well.
You got a bigger turbo on it, right?
Nope, it's still sound.
Oh, okay.
The stock turbo pushes 22.5 pounds of boost.
All right. Your limit is our fuel.
Yeah.
Our octane.
Yeah. I did.
Except you got meth injection, so you probably could crank it up. But.
Yeah. I did a race battery in here, so that shed off 30 pounds. That guy weighs 15. Stock battery was 45 pounds. Catch can, better racing mouse here. This one's a solid poly bushing.
Yeah.
It has rear motor mount on it, that's solid as well. And then just other bushings for the transmission cables, stuff like that. Those are all solid mounts. Radium, like I was saying, catch can. They also did my coolant expansion tank. It's one of my favorite pieces on the car.
It's like, hey, you know, you've done it classy because it all looks like it belongs, and it came with that, right?
Yes.
That's the deal.
I repurposed the windshield washer fluid as the meth tank. So
it's a common thing, actually, but yeah, because you're not driving this in the rain, so.
No.
Yeah. Is that, by any chance, is that removable? Because on the streets, I can see that being a...
This? Yeah, no, it's not removable. I just have to be really careful going in and out of parking lots.
Okay.
The light up thing in the grill is the air intake scoop.
Oh, I didn't even see that because I came from that other direction, but yeah.
So that comes up through here, goes here, and then straight to the...
And your creation is the light? You did that, or?
Yeah, so I had one before that didn't light up. The one that's in the picture there was just plain blue. And then the same company, they made one. They teamed up with the guys who do all the LEDs on this car, aerodynamics, and they got together and made one that lights up. So.
And did it come with Brembo brakes?
Yes, those are factory. Nice and color matched.
Yeah.
I guess interior. Besides that roll bar, I have a quick release wheel there. That was the biggest headache in this car, was to pull all the safety stuff.
So the seats are stock too?
Seats are stock, yeah.
And they had provision. Okay, I see what you did for the harness.
The
Yeah.
harness is going through the headrest there. Wheel comes off.
So you race this somewhere, or it's pretty beautiful, but I just
built it to do some track stuff. But the more I get into it, the more I don't want to just hound on
it gets to that point, right? It's
It has a CAE racing shifter in there. This car is a 6-speed. But that's all CNC'd aluminum.
oh wow.
And then right in front of it there would be a little cubby where you could put your sunglasses, stuff like that. I repurposed that for my toggle switch panel for the meth. And then there's the European spec rear fog lamp down there too.
And again, looks tastefully done that it belongs, like it came that way.
So that also fires up the gauges. Up there, there's
okay.
Defi gauges.
Yeah, I'm familiar with those. Yeah.
And then I guess we'd swing around to the back.
So do you? We'll carry on, but do you consider you're done now, or you're never done?
There's a couple more things I want to do, but they're kind of in the higher price range. So
Every next level.
A local guy. He actually had an RS, and he took his back seat out, fabbed this one up for me, and then gave it to me, and I painted it and installed it.
Okay.
And it's a frame through one, like there's a couple holes it's drilled, and then there's sandwich plates for how it's mounted.
It's chromoly, I think you got in there. Or is it mild steel? It doesn't matter. I'm just curious.
This was chromoly, and mine was just regular
Okay.
steel. It's a little bit lighter, but it cost a little bit
Oh,
more.
it costs more, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a
And
little
then
thinner.
This is the European spec diffuser.
Okay.
We didn't get over here. In the center on ours, we would just have one more fin like that.
Okay.
But this one came with the rear fog lamp in it. AWE catback on it, which there's no mufflers, just resonator. So.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Spec D tail lights. And then just tint on all the back windows. And I did a spoiler extension.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Very, very unique, but fits in well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The aero kit is Maxton. They're out of the UK. And then for wheels and tires, I've got super speed tires or super speed wheels on it. They're actually Canadian.
Is that right?
They're Canadian.
Well, that's good to know.
And then I just have Zesty tires on it.
What appealed to you to getting this car? Because you got it since new. Was it something when it popped up on an advertisement or a picture, you said I gotta have to have that, or?
So I saw it in 2015. I was just cruising YouTube, and there was the kind of the road ride release that Ford had done. Like it posted a day ago, and I stumbled across it.
Yeah.
And I mean, I kind of knew what STs were, Focus STs.
Right.
What is this thing? And they had it. This color hadn't been shown yet. They had kind of a darker sparkly blue for kind of the pre-model, just kind of showing it off. But kind of did some more digging into it, and I heard the specs on this car, and it was all-wheel drive, which was cool. I was looking for something all-wheel drive.
Yeah, good choice.
And then when I heard the horsepower came in from the factory, 350 horsepower, 350 torque, 6-speed manual.
Yeah.
And then it had, at that time, no one had drift mode. It sounds cheesy now after it kind of has been out for 6 years, but it was kind of like, what, drift mode?
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
just
they're appealing to the culture, and
yeah. So, and then when I pre-ordered, I had a couple choices in color. There was white, black, gray, or this blue color. And this was a $500 extra option.
Was it?
Yes, because this is actually a quad coat paint.
Oh, okay.
The paint color itself has a metallic in it, and then the third coat, the clear coat, actually is a metallic clear coat. And then there's a clear coat on top of it, I believe.
And you don't have I don't see a chip or anything on it at all. You could be in the picture. That's cool.
No, it's never been out in the winter.
Mm-hmm.
You see spring, summer, fall, and like on the nice days. It's seen the rain once or twice by accident.
It's your baby. It shows your appreciation, that's for sure.
And I did ceramic coat it 2 years ago, and it's held up wonderfully.
Yeah, being garage and not the elements, it's I mean, ceramic coat is way superior to wax, obviously, but yeah.
And then every now and then on the car, there's little gel inlay or something. Like the RS badge would have been a Ford blue, but I blacked it out. So spoiler inlay, there actually would have been, you know, a Ferrari F40, how it's kind of indented on the spoiler.
Yeah, yeah.
Same thing on this. Probably just put the black inlay. And the same company that did that gel badge made me the horn button on the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Go with that.
I contacted them and they asked me if I asked them if they could make the same button for the start-stop to get it to start-stop button. This little,
there we are.
Little RS logo behind it. I just got them to blow that up to about 1.5 inches for the horn button.
Okay, that's nice. Nice touch. Well, thank you for talking about your car, and I'm really glad you brought it to the show. It's worthwhile seeing. And you got a good location here too, to be honest.
Yes.
Let's see ya.